This is Glenn Fisher and Jennifer Pena, and we'll be talking about deliverable number 1 for SE370 Computer-Aided Systems Engineering. We'll begin here with the requirements for our retirement plan calculator. The fundamental requirement is that the calculator should be able to calculate a simple monetary value for 3 different requirement scenarios: the new military benefits package, the old military benefits package, and a civilian option. We begin the diagram by listing the different inputs that we want the user to enter prior to the calculator running. Next, the lookup values are used in order to assign monetary values from data tables to each input variable. Then, our calculation requirement requires that the system sum all the variables, account for inflation over time, and add in their investments. Finally, the summation is displayed for our output requirement. Next, our block definition diagram depicts the related activities that will occur within our system. The user interface needs no further description here, because it's simply a way for the user to understand the inputs and outputs of the system. The user data input includes functions for every input. This information is then used by the data tables to assign values to every input. The data tables are split into civilian data tables, military data tables, and joint data tables for easier reading and assigning. Finally, our sequence diagram shows the different steps the system will take in order to perform the functions necessary. The program will indicate on the user interface that the user needs to input 11 different values. Then, the user inputs these values, and the program uses them to obtain monetary values for each input based on our data tables. The program then sums all these values in the calculation column here and gives us an output on the user interface that the user then is able to read.